What's the meaning of asthmatic? Asthmatic. Asthmatic.
Asthmatic. Asthmatic. Asthmatic refers to a medical condition characterized by difficulty breathing due to inflammation and narrowing of the airways in the lungs. Symptoms include wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. Asthma can be triggered by various factors including allergies, exercise, and pollution. Proper management of asthma involves avoiding triggers, taking medications as prescribed, and monitoring symptoms. If left uncontrolled, asthma can lead to severe respiratory distress and even death. It is important for individuals with asthma to work closely with their healthcare provider to develop an individualized treatment plan.